Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates with compound. First, let's understand what compound chocolate is. Unlike traditional chocolate, compound chocolate uses vegetable fats instead of cocoa butter. This key difference means you don't need to temper it, making the process much simpler. It's perfect for beginners and busy home bakers who want beautiful, stable chocolates without the fuss. You'll achieve a nice snap and shine with minimal effort. Next, let's melt our compound chocolate. You can use a double boiler or a microwave. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's mostly melted. For a double boiler, ensure the water doesn't touch the bowl. The goal is a smooth, pourable consistency. Avoid overheating, as this can cause it to seize. A good working temperature is around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the fun part, molding. Pour your melted compound chocolate into clean, dry molds. Silicone molds work wonderfully for easy release. Gently tap the molds on your counter a few times to remove any trapped air bubbles, which helps create a smooth surface. If you're adding fillings, do so now, then top with more chocolate. Use a scraper to remove any excess, ensuring neat edges for your finished chocolates. Finally, let's talk about setting and storage. Once molded, allow your chocolates to set. You can leave them at room temperature, or for quicker results, place them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes. Once firm, they should pop out of the molds easily. Store your beautiful homemade chocolates in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and delicious for several weeks, ready to enjoy or share.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.